I would never go back to a traditional hoop is that when I have a big quantity of items that I have to embroider, I snap them very quickly with the magnetic hoops. That's so easy to put on. It just quickly snaps together and that's it. You have the item ready to embroider. If I made you curious about the products right behind me, now let me tell you a few advantages of the magnetic hoops that are a lifesaver for any embroidery business. Firstly, they are very easy to attach to the item you want to embroider, and what I mean by that is that they quickly snaps together and that's it. You have the item ready to embroider. Let me make you a short demonstration and that's it. That's so easy to put on. So a great tool for beginners as well, because you don't have to mind about screwing the traditional hoop to find the right tension and so on. It just quickly snaps together and that's it. You have the item ready, because they come in a lot of sizes, so they fit a lot of needs. Here I have a bigger one. You can access it very quickly. I will leave the link here on the screen and you can browse their entire catalog of products. I would never go back to a traditional hoop is that when I have a big quantity of items that I have to embroider, I snap them very quickly with the magnetic hoops and they're ready to go to the embroidery machine. Compared to the traditional hoop where you have to screw or unscrew the hoop to make the perfect tension, with the magnetic hoops this will never happen. I want to thank again the Sweet Talent team. We've purchased the magnetic hoops from their website and also we've contacted them through WhatsApp and they were very responsive, very friendly, and they can help you with any questions that you have regarding their product. So this was the video for today. I hope you find it useful and you made your mind about their products. Maybe you saw them online and you were curious about them, and I hope I just helped you make a decision. Don't hesitate to purchase their items. They are just great, they're perfect quality and all the advantages I mentioned before. So until next time, bye bye!